This is a Cheeto that sold for $87,000, and you can't even eat it. Hope I just didn't eat 10 grand. This is no ordinary Cheeto. If you look closely, you'll see that it's shaped like a Charizard, which is why it's called the Cheetozard. People actually search bags of Cheetos for shapes. And this one, well, it's a 3-inch long Cheetos masterpiece. The original owners treated it like a prize collectible, and years later, someone spent almost $100,000 on it.
Whoa, I'ma need a minute.
Oh, this is hot. Oh my God.